Hey guys, it's George, and today I'm going to be explaining how to add discount codes for your customers to use on your PrestaShop website. So we're going to be on the home dashboard right here, and we're going to be working on right here on the left side, and you're going to be selecting under catalog and go down to discounts, and you're going to select on that. So right here, it should show you that you have none, because this is my first one. So you're going to go on right here on Add New Cart Rule. And we can name the cart rule. You can name it whatever you want, because it's essentially just for you for what it does. Let's go ahead and do 15 off. And for description, we're just going to put 15% off. And this code is what the customers have to enter in order for them to get the 15% off. So we're gonna put in the code as outdoors. Oh yeah! So that'll be the code that the customer has to enter for them to get this discount. So next, we're gonna go to the conditions tab, and right here you can limit it to a single customer, but we're not gonna do that. This is for how long it's going to be active for, and usually it gives you a month for standard, but you can edit it. But right here it tells you it's valid today until the next month, which is a month from now. And if people try to use it after this section, they'll tell them that that code has expired. So, and the next thing is the minimum amount that people need to pay for them to get this 15% off. So I'm just gonna put $150 for the minimum amount to purchase for them to get this percentage off. So after that, go to your actions tab, and if you want to get free shipping, you can get yes or no. And then also you can have your apply discount. So since it's a discount, you have to go into percentage and then change the value right here to 15, so it's 15% off. And then for apply to discount to order without shipping, it's good for put this, because then it doesn't include like the taxes or anything like that. So it has to be 150 straight off the back with no taxes or anything like that. And then right here, exclude discounted products, I would say yes, just so people don't get discounts on discounts rather than just one discount. And then that's right there. We'll just go ahead and click save here. So now you can see that we have the discount code right here. It's 15 off, and the code that they have to do is outdoors, oh yeah, and it's valid until the 30th of next month. So the front end, go ahead and refresh this page right here, and then just go ahead and just add, let's say 5 of these, add to cart, and then continue shopping, because we still need to make it to the 150 without the, and then we're going to go ahead and add this shirt, add to cart, and then you can see that the total products is 173.72, and because that's over the 150 that we had set for the discount, you can enter your promo code here, outdoors, oh yeah, and then add it, and bam, 15% off on your total, on your product total. So before it's 173, because the discount takes 26 bucks, so it reduces it by a pretty good amount. And then right here, this is where they enter their information, and this is your details of what you purchased. So purchase is the total amount, and then the discount from this right here that we got, and then the shipping, and then this is what the total will be, and that's how you put in the discount codes for your PrestaShop.